We have to import the platform first from ionic @ionic/angular platform, and we have to mention inside constructor this, and then we have a two property, resume and pause. So if you check, it returns the basically subscription, and whenever resume is called, it means when the app is came from the background, this function will be executed, and when the app goes to background, this pause function will be executed. You can see the platform.pause have property, and returns the subscribe. So this is basically a type of event. This property is type of event, and inside this, whenever app coach resume, I call the API, means status and the date time, which date time the app is resumed, and the status is app resumed. It is a constant here because this is the resumed event code basically. And whenever app goes to pause, it means app goes in background. Whenever user kill the app, this code will be execute, and we call the API same API, but the parameter is different. So you can see, and it just call the API insert a status. You can see we use the HTTP client to call the API basically. You can see the this is the method of the API, insert a status. Status and timestamp is the parameter, and we call the HTTP post method to store this data inside the on the server. So this is the JSON file on the server which we stored. This is the some data, timestamp, status, timestamp, status. This is the data stored on based on the event, which event is raised, based on which device is raised currently on the phone. So if you want to check the demo, you can see my last video on my channel. Thank you.